what's up? Bruno here from Bruno's Classic Car Garage. Okay, I finally started on the exhaust today. Didn't get real far, but takes a little planning. You can't just take stuff out of the box and start chopping shit up. Gotta kind of come up with a bit of a game plan here. So I got this mocked up here for a brace to keep my two sides square. I usually start in the middle because then I can tack this up, put it on the floor, and then get the whole middle section welded up right up to the mufflers. And then I can put this back up with hangers, and then that'll stay in place until I get the pipe up to the manifold here. And then this is a 2 1/4 inch. This is a Flowmaster stainless mandrel bent kit, but it's 2 1/2 inch, and I need a 2 1/4 to go inside this flange here. So I'm gonna have to try and find another piece and then join it up to the other one. I need a 2 1/4 inch pipe here, and then I will have to get a reducer from the 2 1/2 to the 2 1/4, just a little bit right up in here, just where the elbow is going to be, and then I can tie that in. So that's kind of what I got going on here. So yeah, so there's the kit there. Comes with all the pieces. I actually had to get another straight piece to do this car because it's a long car. Had to get another 5 foot length there to do that. Otherwise, if you're doing like you know, a Chevelle or something like that, you probably have enough of what's in the kit here. And then I just got the, I think those are the Dynamax, I believe, no name stainless mufflers. I think it's Dynamax, Dynaflow, Dynamax, I can't remember now. Those are actually a real good price, and they're all stainless. I've used them before. They got a good sound. They're not too loud. This is a big block, so it'll still have that throatiness to it, but we don't want a real loud exhaust on here anyway. So that's kind of what I'm doing now. So probably, hopefully by tomorrow, I can get most of this stuff mocked up. I gotta go get some hangers. They don't supply hangers in the kit, which I forgot, so now I gotta go in the morning, pick up some hangers. More driving around. So there you have it. So I already got my 2 lengths cut there to join up to here. See, these are the 2 sides here. Let's see, this goes into the cross member here, tranny cross member. See how it's kind of notched in here? So right now I got it sitting right up tight against there, but it's going to come down about 1/2 inch when I'm done. So it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to mock it up like that. But see, I'm able to clamp it to the car here this way and keep it secure. But I've got this brace welded, got another brace welded, so it can't go anywhere. So now you got to start off square. So there you have it, and that's kind of what it's looking like from back here. I already got the ends cut at the right angle here to come up straight, and they're already cleaned up. So yeah, those are the lengths, the 2 lengths there. I'm going to be putting here, one on each side, and then it's going to come down here. The muffler is going to be on a little bit on an angle here because it's pretty long, and I'm going to have a little bit of a bend in here to go to the muffler. And then you can see where the hanger holes are here. I'm going to want to try and line it up in the center here so I can hang it up in the original location and whatnot. So there you are. I finally got the exhaust started here. Kind of exciting. I want to get this done. So that's it for now, guys. I just wanted to just talk about that and show you where we are here with this car. Just for somebody that don't know, this is a 72 Buick Centurion. Okay, guys. Thanks. Talk to you later.